This is the part 2 video for basic accounting terms for beginners. In this video, we will be discussing about liability, types of liability, capital, types of capital, and drawings. Liability. They are amount which business owes to others either for money borrowed or assets and goods purchased on credit or for service rendered. Liability is basically the amount which the business has to pay to outsiders for the purpose is for the amount it borrowed from them, like a bank. It has borrowed money from the bank, so it has to give it back, so it becomes a liability. Or if the business has taken goods or services from others on credit, then it becomes a liability. When things are purchased on credit, that means the payment will be done in future. So if the business has taken service or goods on credit, it has to pay back, which is again becomes a liability. It can be divided into two. Current liability. They are due or payable within a year or less. They arise out of normal trade activity. Trade creditors, bills payable are some of the examples. Current liability, like the current assets, they are meant for a shorter period, usually less than a year. The prepayment of the liability should be done within a year. Some of the examples are bills payable or sundry creditors. Sundry creditors are people who gave goods to the business on credit and it should be paid within a year. Again, fixed or long-term liability. The liability which are payable after a year. Debentures and long-term loans are some of the examples. Again, like the fixed assets, fixed liabilities are liabilities which are payable after a year, or thus it is called fixed or long-term liability. Example, debentures and bank loans. Bank loans can extend from more than a year, one year, 2 year, 3 year. It is not short. It might not be short term. Capital. Capital refers to the cash or goods or machinery or any other asset introduced or invested by the owner of the business. Any cash, any asset which is introduced by the owner of the business, owner or the proprietor of the business, is known as capital in general. Anything which is introduced by the owner of the business is capital. Capital can be classified into fixed capital. Now, the capital which is used to purchase fixed assets. If the proprietor brings cash into the business, it is known as capital, and on the basis of how the capital is used, it can be divided into fixed capital. Fixed capital is when the cash is used, the capital is used for purchasing fixed assets. Working capital is when the capital is used to buy current assets. When the cash or the capital introduced by the owner is used to buy current assets, it is known as working capital. Drawings. Drawings is the amount of cash or other assets withdrawn by the owner for personal use. When the owner himself takes money, cash from the business for his own use or the personal use. When I say personal use, it should be like taking stock or taking any cash from the business for his family or his personal use, or using the car which is supposed to be used for the business for his own personal household uses, is known as drawings. This is my reference, Accountancy 1 by Dr. P.K. Lazar.